Oh, it's true, safe. I forgot to say hi. You know, they say family first, friends first, you know. I wish to say a very big thank you to all of us, you know. My true fans, my loyal fans, you guys have been amazing all this while. I really say thank you very much for following up, for doing everything possible to make sure I get to limelight. As in Chuna Amanda. You know, they say team is greatness, you know. So what I'm trying to say in essence is Iwubusu. Iwubusu, Bush baby on here. Oh no. They say peace was never an option. Violence everywhere. I'm a violence master. Era shim wenga jofe te beri shisha nishi. Nga kaka. Ngete even ngajanya geshe dapoga. Maka pok sprocket anya warana bang. How dare you? You like do you know me? Imonyambo. You know, I'm not from this country. I'm from United States of Olu. Hey, my guys, I beg please, people should follow my page, Mr. Ngongo, on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube. Though it's a YouTube channel, the new one I created, because the previous one, you guys know, the Mr. Ngongo TV got a little issue, so it's still under review. So I created this new one to still keep you guys entertained. Just follow my page, Holy Empire Productions, you know, on YouTube. Trust me, you will like what's coming your way, but it's gonna be a like ow otoka awesome gini otoka isu asum otoka isu asum otoka awesome gini asum isu asum otoka oroto oroto isu asum oroto 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 isu asum oroto otoka omu abungongo na egwodo ihe egwodo the Nollywood sexy chief priest ogirupu ala tage hu ndi mmụọ. Birds of identical plumage congregate in propinquity. Otoka.